Hi, so in this video I'm going to draw Itachi Uchiha from Naruto. So let's start drawing, and I'm gonna start from his hair by drawing an M first. So it's a tutorial basically, and it's gonna be easy, so watch till the end and don't forget to like the video too. And if you have been watching my videos and still didn't subscribe to my channel, so subscribe too. And also if you are new to my channel and watching my video for the first time, then you too subscribe to my channel. And if this video looked even a little helpful to you, then don't forget to let me know in the comments. Thank you. And now just watch the video and try to learn something. I have drawn Itachi once before, and I'm putting the tutorial in the I button up there, and I think that tutorial is easier than this. So for the now, I'm just gonna draw the front hairs like this. I will draw the rest of them later, and now let's draw this headband or bandasa. We can call it in both ways. So after finishing it, I'm drawing the eyebrows now, and likewise draw the right eyebrow too. And here I have done a mistake. I should have drawn a center line first and a line to keep those both eyebrows equal, but I didn't, sadly. It's my mistake, I admit. Usually people learn from their own mistakes, but this time you guys are gonna learn from my mistakes. So in the video, I'm drawing the eye right now after drawing that eyelid. And by the time I'm drawing the both eye, let me tell you an important thing. You guys may know that we usually draw a circle, a rectangle, and a center line before we draw the face. But I used to think that drawing the structure is just a waste of time and it doesn't help out with anything. Because I used to draw everything without the shapes and the lines. Like, I used to think that everyone has their own shape of eye, lips, and the jaws, and we have to draw them on our own. So how does that circle, center line, and the triangle structure help us? But now I know that that structure actually doesn't help us with drawing the shape of eyes, the shape of jaws, the shape of lips. It actually helps us to keep all of these things in their places. Like, this structure will help us to draw both of the eyes at equal height, of equal length and height. And likewise, this structure helps us to draw the nose in the center. Like, the nose will be right in the center. It will not be diverted a little to the right eye or to the left eye. So are you understanding what I'm trying to say actually? I hope you are understanding. I will make a tutorial on this structure method too. And there are other several ways to draw faces, like there is a grid method, and it's something difficult and pro kind of thing. And it really helps when you are drawing real life persons. But I won't recommend this to you, it's a way too difficult thing. So like, drawing anime is not really that difficult that we will need to use grid method. So just ignore it for the now. And to draw the jawline, the thing that I always do is to mark the chin first and then mark the jawline from both sides, and in the last connect all of these 3 points together, and it's maybe the easiest way of drawing the jawline. And you can see the jaw lines that is appearing after the hair is actually equal to the ends of the mouth, right? Like this. So in this way everything is also connected to each other, and by looking close into the reference photo you can find the connection between the things always and draw them nicely. And now we can see the consequences of not drawing the center line. Like if you look closely we can see that the mouth is to a little bit right, while the nose in the center and the chin is onto a little bit left side. And this thing is giving a weird look to it. Gosh, I don't know why I always ruin Itachi sketches. The only one that I did good is in the eye button. You can go and check it. And the reason I choose this picture today to draw, because once one of my subscribers told me that this character lived a very sad life. He has been through many hardships. So I just thought that drawing him while smiling will be a good idea. Isn't it a good idea? And now it's finally time to draw the hairs, and I'm starting from the top of it. And you just need to draw a slight curved line and proceed same on the both sides. So basic sketch is done, and now let's remove it a little and do the outline. And now I'm using the 6B pencil to do the outline, and you can skip this part of the sketch too. It's not that necessary to remove the sketch and then do the outline. That's just, I don't know why I'm doing this. Maybe to make the sketch look neater, but I think I just ruined it. So the outline is also done, and now let's use this B pencil to do the shading. shading from the B pencil is done, and now let's use a 2H pencil to do the further shading in the face. And after the shading, let's do a little bit blending. And I know the sketch is okay without blending. Like, it's okay in both ways. If you do blending, that's okay too, and if you do not, that's okay. Fine. So the blending is also finally done, and let's do my signature in the end. And soon let's go to see the final look too. So I hope you like it. Take care of yourself. Bye. Wait for the next. Watch these two videos if you want to draw Uzumaki or Itachi.